Hello, everyone. In this video we'll introduce the method of Hi3861 accessing Huawei Cloud Device Access Platform. First, register the product on the Huawei Cloud Device Access Platform and register the device under that product. Fill in the required fields, resource space, product, and identification code. Click OK. Save the device ID and code. For this instance, let's use first as an example device. Open the program and modify the device configuration. Open the IoT_config header file. Set the personal hotspot name and password. The device ID needs to be obtained through the web page. View the device ID and code saved during device creation. Open the web page. Enter the device ID and key. Obtain and save cliented, username and password. Paste each of them into their corresponding constants. Then open the IA_main file. Modify the device access address. Click on Overview. Click on Access Address. You can view the access address of the device access platform. Finally, compile and run the code. Access the web page. View all devices. You can see that the devices are online. That means the devices have successfully connected. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video.